The reality is within the sourcing lifecycle, the first thing that happens is always research. Before you go looking at all of that external research, you need to look internally because you might be surprised at what you find. So as an example, if you're looking for a data scientist, the first thing you need to do is look at people who are currently are high performers doing the role in your company already. Talk to them, see who they know, talk to them and find out where they came from, what their background is. Look at their resumes and make points that wow, look at it. All the people that are high performing data scientists all have a Harvard education. Wow, maybe I would target Harvard. Guess what? Now you got a college. Wow, all of them come from Amazon. Maybe I should target. I mean, internal research first, because that will help you create a persona that will work in your company. If you don't do the internal research first, you might find people that just won't work in your company. They're too alpha personality, they're too beta personality, they're too this, they're too that, whatever. So internal research always comes first. Then comes your external research, and your external research is really usually nothing more than taking what you found internally and making sure that some of the data you have is still correct, like salary. Is that still the right salary to pay somebody for that? Companies. Okay, they all came from this company. Are those companies still around? Do they still exist? Do they still have people that do that? So you're more validating them, and then you're expanding. Okay, well, all of our great data people come from Amazon, Google, Microsoft, but Bing or whatever, Edge or whatever they're calling it now. And you're like, okay, obviously people who come from a e-retailer and or a search orientated function are the people we want to target. So what else is out there? Oh, well, look at this. There's this search engine, there's DuckDuckGo, there's this, that. I need to target them. Now you have your persona and you already have your sourcing plan. You already know what companies to target. You know what products to target. And as a byproduct, you're going to know where to search. As an example, if I'm looking for a data scientist, I'm sure as heck not going to look at truckdrivers.com.
Yeah.
I'm going to probably look at Dribbble. Yeah, I think it's Dribbble. I don't remember right off the top of my head. And you're going to already know something else. More importantly, before you stop looking externally, start looking at the gold in your own ATS, because a lot of times what you look for is right in your ATS, or you just don't even know it. Look at people who get interviewed and you like them, you want to hire them, but your number one took the job first. Say you had a 1 and a 1A, but one took the job, so now you got 1A. Well, if you didn't hire him and he was 1A, that means he or she was pretty darn good. You might want to get back with him and see if you can. There's just so much more to it than that. What differentiates one sourcer, recruiter, whatever, from another is not really how much they know, it's how fast they can get from A to Z. I can get from A to Z. I can get from my internal research to sourcing quicker than most people can get through just the internal research. So part of that's because I'm organized. I have a project management methodology to the way I do things. But it's, part of it's because I've been doing it so long, I just know. I don't need to be told if I'm looking for a job developer, I should target Amazon. I already know Amazon is very Java heavy. So, I mean, duh. But that's because I've been doing it a long time. So a lot of it is how you can get from A to Z quickest, and what tools can help you get there quicker and can save you time. It's all about the ROI. It's not just finding them, it's how quick can you find them. If you got one person can find 5 people, it takes them 10 hours, and I can find 5 people in 10 minutes, the ROI for me is off the chart. The ROI for them, yeah, okay, first of all, it takes them that long to find 5 or 10 people. There's a problem. But, a good recruiter should be able to find 5 to 10 good people in an hour, not in 5 hours. But I'm just saying, that's the biggest thing, is how can you teach people to think quicker, get from A to Z, and to be able to multitask so they can do multiple things at a time. Like in my office here, and you guys can't necessarily see it, there's a tablet there, there's a laptop down there, there's a tablet there, a laptop there, a computer here, and a computer there. And when I'm humming and I'm working hard, they're all doing something. And I just go boom, boom, boom. Because while I'm running a search here, which could take 10 seconds, I could be starting another search there, get that started, come back here, I got my results, do what I gotta do. And then when I'm done with this search and I'm setting up for another search, then I can go here and do, it's multitasking.